Hey guys, if you have a local business and if you want to rank a local business on a Google listing, then this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss about Google My Business. It is a must-have tool if you are running your business locally. In this video, we will discuss about how you can create an account on Google My Business. And in the next part, we will discuss about how you can create your single page website with the help of this amazing tool. So if you are interested, keep watching. Hello friends, I am Muqtadir Ahmad Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you are watching Digital Bhaijan. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends who wanted to learn free digital marketing and blogging courses. So without wasting further time, let's move into our screen. So here we are on our screen, and if you want to go to Google My Business, then click here and click on My Business. So it will say sign in or manage now. If you already have a Google My Business account, then sign in to that and edit your local listing. And if you want to create a new listing and if you want to add your business into the Google, then click on manage now. If you already have a business, type your business name here and it will suggest you about your businesses. Okay, but we are going to create a new business, and if you want to add some new business, your own business, then click on add your business to Google. Now it is asking what's the name of your business. Type a name of your business. Let's suppose I type my sample business. It's just for a sample. Create a business with this name, my sample business, and click on next. So it is asking choose the category that fits your business best. So you need to choose a category, type a few keywords here. Let's suppose I am running a coaching institute or coaching center. So just click on this coaching center and you can type anything here according to your needs. Let's suppose if I type digital printer, digital printing services, so it will suggest a category. It is really important to select a proper category, otherwise it will be really difficult to rank on Google. So let's suppose I am running a coaching center, so I will type coaching. So here it is, coaching center, and click on next. Now it is asking, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? If you have an office, then click on yes, physical location obviously. And if you don't want to show your physical location, then you can click on no. If you click on yes, it will ask you about your address on the next step. Click next. So it is asking you about your address. So this is India address. Let's suppose I type my address. City is Nagpur. Okay, now pin code and state is Maharashtra. Fill this detail, a basic detail, your country, your address, your city, pin code and state, and click on next. Now if Google Map is not showing you a perfect result, then you can drag this pin and drop on a perfect location. Okay, you can zoom in here. Okay, you can zoom in from here and you can drop this pin to a perfect location so that your customer can visit your location perfectly. Okay, now click on next. Now it is saying, do you also serve customer outside this location? That means if you have a store and you are giving a home delivery services, okay, then you need to select yes, I do serve them outside my location if you're delivering to their home or any other place. But if you don't use home delivery services, if you don't give any home delivery services, then click on no. If you click on yes, and click next. Then it will ask you about the areas where you serve your services. Okay, so for now we are not going to select this, we are going to select no and click next. So it is asking me about phone number and website URL. So for now I just type a fake phone number, it is not mine. And you can, if you have a website, you can add a website here, but we are going to create a one single page website through Google My Business in the next part. So we are not going to provide this URL. We will create a new website with the help of Google My Business. So click on next, and on the last step it is called finish and manage the listing. So this is your business name, My Sample Business on Google, and you can click on finish. After clicking on finish, it will ask you to verify your business. So it is asking you to verify your business with the help of postcard by mail. So you can type your contact name here and click on mail, and Google will send you a package that contains a code. You need to put that code on Google My Business so that it can be verified. So it is saying it will take 12 days to arrive, and obviously it will take this much time to arrive postcard. So for now we are not going to verify this. There is one more thing. If you haven't verified your business, then there are few features that are not available for you, that are not unlocked by Google My Business. So it is suggested that you must verify your business so that you can utilize fully that platform. Okay, for now I'm not verifying this business because it is just a sample business. So I will click on verify later, and it will ask you about your business hours. You can edit this business hours later on. Just click on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and just type 10 a.m. to. So after filling this information, just click on save, and it will be saved on your Google listing. You can add a business description. This is a coaching center, so I'm writing this just a sample. Okay, now click on save. You can add your store photos, your employees photos and any other type of photos here, but for now I'm not adding any photo. Just click on skip, and your business profile is almost ready. So let's see how it looks like. Continue. So this is a dashboard, you can say a backend of your Google My Business account, and these are the tabs. This is home screen where all the information can be summarized. Okay, and one more thing that Google is giving here is claim your 2000 free advertising credit. So you can claim 2000 rupees. When you spend 2000, Google will give you another 2000 rupees to spend on ads. And there are few tabs: post, info, insight, review, and all these tabs. We will discuss about all of these tabs in the next video. One more thing that I want to show you here is how your verification code or postcard looks like. So this is how your postcard looks like when it arrives to your business location. It will include a letter from Google, 750 credit. In your case it is getting 2000 rupees, and a sticker where you can paste on your store. And this is how your code looks like. This is 5-digit code that you need to put on Google My Business to verify your account. So that's it for today. In the next video, in the next part, we will see about these steps. We will discuss about these steps, and basically we will create our own website with the help of Google My Business. So it will be fun. Don't skip that part. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your business partners. And if you have any doubt, please comment below, and you can DM me on Instagram also. My Instagram ID is @digitalbaijan. Follow me or ask me anything. I am super active there. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.